Is your keyboard not working in Google Chrome for Windows? Then try these fixes in this video. Now, restarting Chrome is a classic troubleshooting tip that usually takes care of any temporary issues the browser may have experienced while running. So what you should do is open Task Manager, select the Processes tab, click Google Chrome, then select End Task. Another option is to open an incognito window in Chrome, and you can do that by clicking the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner and select New Incognito Window from the resulting menu. Now, if the keyboard works fine in the incognito window, one of your extensions is likely causing the issue. Lastly, disable extensions in Google Chrome. To do that, click More Options in the top right corner, select Extensions, choose Manage Extensions from the sub-menu, turn off the toggles next to your extensions to disable them, restart Chrome after this, and check if your keyboard now works. And those are the ways on what you can do if your keyboard is not working in Google Chrome on Windows. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.